Want to create an opening like this? Let's get started. First, import your footage into the timeline. In this example, I'm using 3 photos. Make sure you set the ratio and remove the original sound if your clip has audio. Next, duplicate the first clip and place it as an overlay. Go to the effects menu and add a blur effect to the first clip. After that, select the duplicated clip. Go to the animation menu, then choose grid puzzle under the intersection. Now select the second clip. Place it on top before the animation on the previous clip finishes. Apply the same grid puzzle animation. Repeat the same steps for the third clip. To make it more engaging, add sound effects. Here, I'm using a sci-fi sound effect. Play the video to see the result. And that's it. Your opening animation is ready. Simple, right? In the next video, we'll learn more editing techniques to improve your videos. So make sure to like, comment, follow, or subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.